Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into HCSS, the powerful software built specifically for the construction industry. Whether you're managing heavy civil projects, tracking equipment, estimating costs, or improving job site safety, HCSS has you covered. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you should do, visit the official website, which is going to be hcss.com. On the top corner, you can log in using your credentials, contact support if you have more questions, or click the schedule a demo, provide all the information needed so that HCSS will know what kind of tailored fit solution they could provide to your business needs. All I have to do is simple. Provide all the information needed, click the submit button, and one of the sales support staff will contact you and schedule a discovery call. But if you don't want to provide any information at all, it's okay, or you're not comfortable providing any details online, don't worry, we got you. Click the HCSS button here and you will be forwarded to the main homepage. The thing is, we can learn a lot from HCSS by just going to these sections. We have the solutions, who we serve, customers, resources, company, and pricing. Now we're gonna go to the solutions, because for one, they offer different kind of software that you might be interested in. Number one is going to be the heavy bid. So what is it? Now, essentially, heavy bid is for construction estimating and bidding. Because for one, you can create accurate project estimates and proposals quickly. You can have bid item creation, cost coding, crew and equipment cost tracking, and of course, integration with accounting and project management tools. All right. Now we go to another software, which is going to be the heavy job. Now, the heavy job is useful for field productivity tracking because you can capture time cards, production quantities, and daily reports directly from the field. So you can have real-time job cost tracking, mobile access for foremen and supervisors, time and material tracking, and of course, job performance reporting, which is kind of really handy. Now, the next software that we're gonna take a look into is the HCSS Safety. All right. Now, this is good for construction safety management. You have managing safety meetings, inspections, and compliance. You could also have a safety document and forms, toolbox talks, safety training tracking, and of course, incident reporting and analysis. You should never forget the HCSS plans, because it's going to be the digital plan management wherein you can access and mark up construction plans in field. You can have digital blueprints, version control, plan markups and annotations, link to RFIs, submittals, and specs. And of course, one of the good things about HCSS is that they also offer the equipment 360. All right. So now, you can have equipment maintenance and fleet management, because you can have preventive maintenance, repairs, and tracking equipment health. You can have work orders, parts and inventory management, equipment history, scheduled services, and inspections. And then there is a thing called HCSS Telematics. So what it does is it's essentially a GPS tracking and equipment monitoring. So it monitors vehicles and heavy equipment in real time, GPS location tracking, engine diagnostics, idle time monitoring, and of course, utilization reporting. All right. Now we go to the next software, which is going to be the HCSS Dispatcher. Now, the HCSS Dispatcher is a resource scheduling and dispatching. You can manage crews, equipment, and project assignments. You can have a drag and drop scheduling interface, equipment availability, crew assignments, and real-time updates. And of course, one of my favorite is going to be the HCSS Cloud, because the HCSS Cloud gives you a cloud-based hosting of HCSS software, which you have a secure access to HCSS applications from anywhere without needing local servers. That means you can have remote access, data backups, improved collaboration, software updates, and support. And the last is going to be the HCSS Insights. All right. So the thing is, with HCSS Insights, you can have data analytics and reporting, gaining actionable insights from HCSS software data. So you have dashboards and KPIs, custom reports, visual analytics and across projects, and integration with other business systems. Now, after that, you might want to go to the pricing. Why it's important? Because for one, it's going to be a make or break kind of situation depending on your business needs. You can see if you click the get pricing, the pricing is not publicly available. All right, you need to provide all the information needed so that the customers or the HCSS sales staff will have a general knowledge on where and how they can come in to provide your business needs. They can offer a tailored fit solution and pricing customizable to your budget and your goal. All right, so you need to provide all the information accurately as much as possible, and of course provide all the information needed and click the submit. One of the sales professional will contact you. All right, now we're gonna check one of these solutions. For example, the estimating. You have the pre-construction, which covers all the planning before work begins on site, permits, procurement, budgeting, scheduling, and risk assessments. So this ensures everything is in place for a smooth kickoff. Of course, there's the estimating. This tool helps creates accurate and competitive construction cost estimates. It lets you build detailed bids by factoring in materials, labor, equipment, and more. And of course, there's the job costing. It tracks real-time expenses on a job site, labor, materials, equipment, and compares them to the original estimate. Now, this can help identify cost overruns early and manage budget performance. Not only that, they have the project management. It's a tool to manage schedule, tasks, RFIs, submittals, and communication. Keeps everyone on the same page to ensure the project delivery is on time and on budget. And again, there's going to be the digital plans. It allows access to digital blueprints and drawings on devices. Crews can mark up plans, share updates, and ensure fieldwork matches the latest revisions. Now, if you wanted to know more about HCSS, you might want to go to these resources. Number one is going to be the education. You have all the blogs that it's a few minutes read of your time, not going to take too long. Matter of fact, when I go to one of the updated blogs that I have read, it's all about how HCSS can assist your compliance and protection of California's Reform Private Attorneys General Act, or PAGA. If you click on the read more, it will forward you to the exact 4-minute read of the blog, published last April 8th. And then there's going to be the HCSS University. You might want to check these as well. It'll be forwarded to a new page. So you can sign up if you wanted. All right, you can request software if you want, partnering with universities to engage the next generation of construction professionals. If you want to request software, click this button. It will be forwarded here. Just provide all the information needed and click the next button. All right, click the request software. Now we're gonna go to another resource section, which is gonna be the events. So if you wanted to join some webinars available here in HCSS, the last time is going to be the estimating monthly webinar. So I joined this some time ago. It's a virtual webinar and you can join this here. Now, the upcoming Unlocking Hidden Insights and the Power of Data is on April 22nd. If you wanted to join, it's going to be, duration is 1 hour. Click the register button here and you'll be forwarded to a new page. You just have to provide all the information needed. Duration is 60 minutes. Provide all the information. These are going to be the speakers, right? It's an insightful webinar that you don't want to miss. So we're going to go back again to the main homepage. And basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.